Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another handy computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're diving into how to change your desktop wallpaper on Windows 11, and as a bonus, I'll show you how to pick a personalized background, like your favorite photo, to make your PC truly yours. Whether you're tired of the default look or want to flex some creativity, I've got you covered with an easy step-by-step guide. Let's make your desktop pop stick around, and let's get started. Alright, here we go. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Personalize it. It's that simple to jump in. Next, in the Personalization menu, click Background. You'll see options like Windows Defaults, but let's make it personal. Choose Picture from the drop-down. Then, click Browse Photos. Find a cool image like that vacation pic from last summer and hit Choose Picture. If it looks stretched, adjust the Fit setting to Fill or Fit for the best look. Now, if you just want a quick change, pick a preloaded Windows wallpaper. Instead, scroll through and click one. Either way, your new background shows up instantly. One tip: if it doesn't change, restart your PC. Might be a glitch. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Tell me in the comments what photo you're using for your wallpaper. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.